lovelies. So we've just done all the grass seeding. Yes, and Mr. Producer's put me a pole in the garden for my birds, of course, for my birds. So we're going to now move the bird tables back to near where we've done the grass seeding and feed them. Yes. Yes. Put me a pole in the garden, look. Yeah. Poles in. So what we've done is we've put all grass seed over where the mould destroyed the grass, basically. So we're going to water it every day and hopefully it'll germinate and we'll have some nice luscious grass there. But for now we're going to do the birds. You're going to have to hold this bit. That's heavy, that is. You get it? Good. Oh, there we go. Da-da-da! What? You can reach out, can't you? Is it a bit heavy? Going back in. That's definitely higher than usual. Definitely higher than usual. It's not normally taller than me. Two houses. One this side. So, I'll put the other one on the other side. This one's heavy. Really heavy. Yeah, that looks alright. Out better than when I have them over there. Well, I'm going to feed them now. This is why we moved the bird boxes into here, you see, because now we can feed them. Yeah. Because getting ready for when we're grass seeding, because we can't walk on that area now. There is always a method in our madness. It just never comes to light until we sort it. Peanuts today. They seem to really like their peanuts. They do. I wonder how they'll get on being so far away from the fence. Because normally they're closer to the fence, so when the wind comes they can hide in the conifers. So we'll see how they get on. That's probably my only concern. But I suppose if you put enough food out, it should be alright. I'm trying to get the last of the peanuts out into my tub. Not quite working. Huh? There's nothing in here to save, are there? Typical apples. That's how many was left in the bag. Not many. So now we'll be going on to our new bag of peanuts. I've got a new bag of peanuts there, new bag of seed there, another bag of seed, bag of sunflower hearts in this one. And I put that in the wrong position, didn't I? They really like this Wilco seed. They don't like the B&M seed. Really like the Wilco seed. So that's good. Pleased about that. Put it this way, it doesn't last very long, so that's how I know they like it. Right, just sunflower seeds I think next. Yeah. I only fed them a couple of days ago, didn't I? The water bowl can stay down there, it's fine. And it's going to be hot next week, isn't it? I'll have to get another bowl and put it on the ground or something for her. It's only the same as my swing. My swing's been left up there. Some sunflower seeds. So these will eventually all go all over the floor because the squirrel sits in there and just eats what's inside. And he doesn't tidy up after himself. No, doesn't tidy up after himself. We've got no little balls left to go in that one, so when that one's done, I'll put a suet log in there. Or I might put my own pine cone out. That's it. So next thing I've got to do is hang some washing out. But I'm getting strap marks, so that won't be get done over on my OnlyFans because I'm going to strip this, including the glove. So yeah, hopefully the birds will still come to this area, still feed. I shouldn't see why not, but we'll see. So thank you for joining me. Like it, subscribe, find me on my Twitter and Instagram at Adelesexyuk, find me on my Facebook at official Adelesexyuk, and come and check out my OnlyFans. There's 3, the naughty one, the $10 one, and the freebie. And see you later, my lovelies. Oh, my drink. Well, what's left? Goodbye.